Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this channel I've made a couple of videos about spinning platforms. I've made some videos about spinning platforms. Such videos are, one of them is spin for money, the other one is spin to money, and there is one other one like that, I think. And on this one I'm making another video about another website where you can spin to make money. And this is actually similar to spin for money. It's been similar to spin to money. Spin to money actually lasted for some time, and it actually lasted, yeah. And here is another one, spin. Here is another one, WeSpin. WeSpin is the name of this very one, WeSpin. So on this one you just have to click the first link in the description of this video to get registered. But before we proceed, kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe. Don't be in a hurry to go and register yet. Just make sure you stick around and watch this video to the very end so you can understand how it actually works. So make sure you watch the video to the end to understand. So just click the first link in the description of this video to sign up, and it will bring you to this very page. You click on register. You click on register to register, and input your username, your email address, your phone number, your password, confirm password, then agree to the WeSpin privacy policy and terms. Then click on register here. Click on register to get registered. Then once you get registered, you have to now sign in. So actually I've already registered on this very account, so I'm just going to sign in right now. I'm just going to log in. So guys, while we log in, please give this video a thumbs up. If you love the things I do in this channel, please like this video for me. Okay, so I've now logged in. So immediately log in to start making money on this platform. On the free spin, they're going to give you an access to spin at least one spin in a day. So here is this free spin, guys. You just have to click on the spin here. Click on the spin and it will bring you to this page. Each spin earnings range from $0.12 to $0.68 every day, and you are giving just one spin in a day. Minimum withdrawal for this is $1. Number of spins per day is 1. Successfully invited users refresh the number of spins per day. So just click on this spin here. You can see spinning, and successfully spent, you have earned 0.26. So in a day you can earn, you can see it has just added to this very account. This very account is just for the purpose of this video, so you can see it has added to this very account. So this is how you do it every day on this. At times you might earn $0.68 because it actually ranges from 0.12 to 0.68 on the free spin. So what I just earned right now is $0.26. So this is as it's still new, you can withdraw without deposit. You can withdraw without deposit. So you just have to utilize the opportunity you have to make money on this platform. So to upgrade your account to make more money, you can come to this very place and click on upgrade accounts. Once you do that, it can log you out. So you just have to make sure that your password is saved on your browser. So once it logs you out, you just click on login and log in straight. Guys, please, while we do this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, guys. You pay no money to subscribe. Subscription is just for you to get notified each time I upload a video on this channel, so you don't miss out on a helpful update that can change your life. You don't miss out on a life-changing update. Some updates on this channel can change your life. So please hit the subscribe button to subscribe. Subscription is free. You pay no money to subscribe. So on this here, what you just have to do is to come back to this place and click on upgrade again. You know, it's logged us out and we logged in again. It's repeating the same process. I don't know, but you just have to sign in again. So I'm going to click on it again, upgrade accounts. Okay, upgrade accounts. To upgrade accounts, you must have to make a deposit first. Without making a deposit, you are not to upgrade. You will not be able to buy this. You will not be able to upgrade to bronze or to silver or to gold, platinum, and the rest, diamond. So you just have to click on deposits first. Click on deposit to upgrade your account. Then you input the amount you want to deposit. You can input, for example, $20. Then you click on deposits. Okay, once you click on deposit, it will take you to this page. You are about to deposit $20 worth of BTC. $20. We support Bitcoin recharge. The recharge amount is this. So this is BTC you are to send to this platform. So you have to click on recharge BTC. Recharge BTC. You're about to deposit $20 worth of. Okay, now what you have to do here is to tap on copy to copy the address, this very address. So this is the copy. Just have to tap on it. Okay, we copy the text, this. So it has copied. You okay it. You now go to your crypto wallet, your Binance or your Trust wallet or whichever exchange you're using or any wallet you're using to send your crypto assets. You have to go to that, copy this address as I just did now, and go to that place and follow the instructions on how to do that to fund your account to this very platform. And once you've done that, the next thing you have to do is to upgrade your account. Upgrade your account by selecting any of your desired packages here. So this is bronze. Bronze gives you $0.5, that is 50 cents to $2 every day. Number of spins per day is 2. Number of spins, no limit. Okay, total number of. All right, so this actually gives you $0.5, that's 50 cents to $2 every day. To upgrade to silver gives you $60. Okay, sorry. To upgrade to silver is $60. You're going to pay to upgrade to silver, and it gives you $1.98 to $6 every day. And your number of spins per day is 3. So this gold gives you $4.4 to $21.3 every day. This is an opportunity to make money on this site. So this one, platinum, gives you $10 to $83 every day, and you're upgrading with $540. So you can come this diamond, this super diamond, this king. All right, so king gives you up to $150 to $3,000 every day. Okay, so you can just come to this page and check what suits your need or what you can actually afford to risk. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. When I see something that is profitable based on my experiences, I share it. I'm not a financial advisor, so you can feel free to do your own research, or you can go ahead and take the risk without doing your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website. That's how I do it. I normally give my disclaimer. It's a normal thing I do on this channel. So guys, to make your withdrawal, you have to just come to this page, come to this very place and click on withdraw. You have to come to that page and click on withdraw to make your withdrawal. So once you click on here, you'll be able to make a withdrawal. Then follow the on-screen instructions there to place your withdrawal. To refer your friends, feel free to copy your referral link and share with your friends. Share your referral link to your friends. In some groups where you're allowed to share your referral links, you just copy this link here by clicking on referrals and copy your referral link. Tap on copy here to copy your referral link. So guys, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So go out there, you can go out there and start making money on this platform. Yeah. So click the first link in the description of this video to sign up. Guys, please like this video for me and subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, guys. You pay no money to subscribe. See you on the next one, guys. Peace out.